Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the phone so the update won't fail. Charge to 50% or keep it plugged in, and back up your data now because updates can change settings. Once backed up, connect to a stable Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and interruptions. Navigate to Settings System Software Update and tap Check for updates. This starts the download step. You do this first so that the device has power, a backup, and a reliable connection before the installer engages. You download the update and watch for completion. A partial download can corrupt the installer, so verify it finishes. Once downloaded, read the release notes and any carrier warnings to understand behavior changes or known issues. Then choose Install and allow the device to prepare. The installer will verify packages, optimize apps, and schedule a restart. Make sure you don't force power off mid-process. Let the phone reboot and complete the file system. You finish by checking settings about phone to confirm the new Android version and build number. This verifies success. If apps act up, reboot once more, then update apps from your store or clear their caches so they adapt to framework changes. If the device won't boot or is stuck in a loop, boot to recovery mode. Try wipe cache partition first, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset after restoring backups. These steps recover most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.